I'm Dr. Kevin Stone here at the Stone Clinic in San Francisco. What we've created is a clinic where we can see interesting, difficult, challenging, and routine injuries to the shoulder, knee, and ankle. We combine our care of the patient with our rehab team that is here all on the same floor and our research outcomes team so that every patient's problem is approached uniquely and thoughtfully about how do we help that patient receive world-class care today, and how do we help them plan for care that might be coming down the line in the future. So our goal is to return people back to sports fitter, faster, and stronger than they've been in years. We do it by combining great care, great analysis, great research, and great rehabilitation, all in one setting.